So in law enforcement, I think it's important to always be looking at ways to improve our service to the community. A lot of things were going on back in 2020, and our council, we got a new council in that wanted to look at some new priorities, including police community relations and police accountability. And so we looked at one of the things we realized we were doing was probably sending the wrong people to some of our mental health calls. Although our officers are amazing, they're not trained in every single aspect of everything. And so by bringing in the SAFE team and having a team that you can send to the mental health calls has really given our officers the ability to do their job out on the street, but yet we're sending the right people to the right calls now.
On Edward 50, can you have SAFE respond to 5300 Old Redwood Highway?
1 Edward 50, 10-4, break. 1 Queen 11, are you clear to respond?
Queen 11, copy.
My name's Aziz. I'm the director of the SAFE team. And our partnership with law enforcement is really important because when we're en route to a call, we get dispatched via the same police department dispatch that sends officers out. And they're able to triage the safety level and comfortability of the team being able to respond to the call. So if there's any threats of violence or weapon or possibly history of violence in the past, they're able to send out officers first to clear the scene for us, make sure the scene is safe, while we stage a few blocks away. And then once the officers clear the scene, we're able to then respond in and provide services to whoever needs our help.
So we're really proud of the SAFE team. It started as a pilot program. It's moved to an invaluable resource and a community asset, and it's proven. It's handling thousands of calls in multiple communities every year. It's established, it's consistent, it's been running effectively throughout emergencies, through a pandemic, and it's been available to those community members in need. And we couldn't be more proud of the program and how it's scaled to multiple different cities, municipalities, and educational organizations throughout our region.
So as part of the SAFE team, what we have seen is that we have another tool in our toolbox. We don't always know if it's going to be a police problem, a crisis that we need to avert, but either way, having either the crisis workers from the SAFE team or our officers responding either individually or together, what we know is that we can provide a better service for our community. I think another significant change is just how the community has embraced the SAFE team as well. They're more willing to call us so that the SAFE team can come out and respond and provide services and resources, or just answer any questions that they may have. I think this has been a really great partnership for us. The collaboration, the willingness to work together, and I think just that how the community has embraced it has been very positive for us and the SAFE team.
So one of the really neat things about SAFE is that not only do we have in-house resources from PPSC, but we also have the ability in the field to find county-wide resources that everyone can use. So a lot of the time, one of the partners, because we have a team of 2 generally on duty, one of the partners will be sitting with whoever our client is, and then the other one can come into the van and pull up the laptop and start looking for resources to better serve people and give them the help that they need.
So I think the bottom line is having SAFE and us as a policing consortium with the agencies here in the South County and Sonoma County really act as a force multiplier for dealing with homelessness, mental health issues, addiction issues, and low-level issues that otherwise aren't just policing functions and aren't just first responder functions. Having SAFE, I think, is a very important component to making sure that we have a holistic approach to dealing with the situations that challenge our communities, and that's the expectation of the people that live in our communities as well.
One thing that community would be surprised to learn about the SAFE team is the amount of services we're able to provide in the field, whether it's physical resources such as hygiene kits, water, clothes, food, basic first aid, or the down the line higher level of care resources that we're able to provide. And that's connecting clients to services such as therapy, counseling, or something as simple as SNAP benefits at the South County Social Services Office. So a call can look and end in a lot of different ways, but I'd say the highlight is the actual versatility of what the team's able to do on the call.